Welcome back, everyone. I'm watching you try and pull into the shop over there. Yesterday was miserable, and it's already miserable here. The air is so hard to breathe, and I feel like I'm starving already. This is a 2013 Mazda 3 blower motor. 8.8 hours. If it has navigation, if it has turbocharger, add 3/10 to the job. So we'll just round it up to 9 hours on this job to do this. And this is a miserable job. Jude has been working on it since yesterday, but we told the customer that, hey, if it takes us 9 hours, that's what you're going to pay. If it takes us less than 9 hours, we're gonna take care of you. So it's been sitting on the lift for over 9 hours. The car's still apart. Let me show you some of the misery that we're dealing with here. On top of the miserable work environment, not the shop, but the Mother Nature. Interior shredded. What makes this job even worse is that the car's disgusting inside. There's dog hair. There's shit everywhere. I can imagine if I was doing this, I'd be sick today. My allergies just can't handle that environment. The original blower motor has a very small pigtail, and not one aftermarket blower motor had the right plug and pigtail, so we had to make a pigtail for this, which made this job even more miserable. And then I'm going to show you over here, floor mat on the passenger side. And then we have a fan over here trying to get Jude some air while he's working in confined, dirty, nasty places. The normal person would never do this job, but we're committed to doing our job. Should I say something to the customer, like say, hey, your car's really disgusting, can you go get it detailed for us? I mean, but look at this is the real world environment we're working on. Real conditions, cars full of shit, hasn't been vacuumed in 10 years. I mean, my work truck's cleaner than this. I'm not saying anything bad about this guy. We're saying, hey dude, like, this is a shitty job. And then all of the Chick-fil-A stuff I've already thrown out. But for us to have to go and clean all this stuff up and vacuum his car so it's basically not a hazmat environment, it would take you an hour to get the car clean just so you can actually work on it. So yeah, 8.8 hours is a baseline time for this. Add 0.3 for nav, add 0.3 for turbocharger. We're still not finished with a few other things. Like I said, the blower pigtail on the aftermarket is twice the size of the OEM, so we had to make a pigtail because guess what? They sell the blower motor, but they don't sell the pigtail that matches the design change. So, and of course, Mazda doesn't stock anything, and it's a couple days out, and they don't promise. So we're going to stick with the aftermarket blower motor, in-house pigtail, and hopefully get this thing out of here today before it gets any hotter. And then probably he will pay less than 8 hours is what I'm thinking this job is, even though it's been sitting on the lift for that long.